Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can add PayPal payment getaway on WordPress. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, simply first of all go ahead, open up your wordpress.com on your browser, access official website, get signed in, and simply go to directly to the plugin section. Now go ahead, choose the desired plugin, which is PayPal for us. Once you have chosen and tapped on the install now, then once the plugin has been installed, tap on activate button. Then afterward, you simply have to navigate to WooCommerce and then go to settings and then payments. To activate PayPal, simply have to click this toggle for it to activate it. Simply click on it. Now afterward, you simply have to check the securely accept box to ensure safe transaction, and then simply have to select the desired option for your PayPal integration, and then afterwards simply scroll down. Simply have to check on this option. Once you have done that, you're simply gonna go ahead and scroll down a bit and have to simply tap on this option of test payment with PayPal Sandbox. You will need a PayPal Sandbox email account and password for this step. Right, if you don't have a Sandbox account, you simply have to go to the another part, this particular part, and you have to simply access a PayPal Sandbox account and click Sandbox text account, and simply have to click on this view/edit account to retrieve your Sandbox email ID and system generated password. Once you have got this information, you simply have to copy this detail and paste them into the WooCommerce PayPal payment settings. Right, simply have to, once you've added the information, the details are entered. Once the details are entered, tap on agree and connect to connect your PayPal account. Upon successful configuration, you will receive a confirmation message as well. Simply gonna go ahead, do so right over here, enter the information, tap on log, and then once you've done that, you're gonna go back and return to your WooCommerce store and simply navigate to payment section again and check out the PayPal settings, which will status connected. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.